So we'd like to take this time to thank all of our 15,000 subscribers and all of our sponsors, a few that we have, because we hit a massive milestone. So because of the raise in YouTube ad revenue, we've been getting a crazy amount of dollars, and now we can afford a crazy new facility. And it should, we expect it to pay itself off between 7 and 10 years.
And we're quitting our jobs.
So obviously this is a joke. This is just a new farm building going up, but we probably will make some cool content in here when we're allowed in here.
But if YouTube paid us $4 an hour for all the videos we've got and all the time we put into them, this could be a reality. Probably. Just to put it in perspective.
Subscribe!
Yeah! Oh, my fan boobs again. I gotta lose some weight. I'm actually like kind of stuck.
Now back to working on trucks for 25 cents an hour.
So we have a major deadline. This truck has to be looking as good as possible, preferably mint for tomorrow morning. We have about a couple hours to work on it, but it's gonna be in a wedding and the groom's gonna be driving it, and no, it's not me as the groom. We are gonna sand these tops here and paint them. We already washed it and made it all nice and clean. We're gonna put a sticker on the back where there was a little bit of scratches, and we gotta bolt down the stack yet. So let's do it. We're gonna start with the lower paint here and this little bit of rust. We're gonna sand it back down, and the rocker guard's showing through, so I got some paint match that we can throw on there. We're starting at the bottom of the truck, so it's less noticeable if I screw up.
You gonna tape a line?
Yeah, I think tape the line, we'll open the doors and we'll spray it down. We sanded this rusty spot down to bare metal and it's really smooth. We scuffed this up so that the clear coat's not like smooth anymore. Now we're gonna prime it and then we'll paint it, color match. Kinda gotta do inside there yet. That works. Now we let the paint dry while I work on the other side. Always wash before you sand and degrease before you paint or it won't stick properly. So we're gonna put some AC Delco rocker guard on the caps, same stuff as what's in the box, and it seems to be pretty durable. So I'm in a very serious rush right now. I'm running out of time. I need this stack to be secured as it's not right now. We're gonna put 4 self-taps in it for now, but I assure you, we'll be coming back, drilling some hole saws, 2-inch holes for each bolt through the heat shield on the bottom, and we're just gonna put 4 proper bolts in. But for now, this is how it's gonna be. Let's quickly wipe that. Y'all ready for this? So today's a new day. I haven't been here in a few days, been busy, but we're gonna do some color matching today, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have some fun. So let's get at it. We're gonna yank the grill out and pull the front one off to start with. So it's off the truck, now we just gotta take it all apart. So we're degreasing the greasy bumper. So we're gonna soap her up and wipe her down, because prep is the most important part of painting. So we've degreased it, we sanded it with our orbital sander, we cleaned it twice with brake cleans. So now it's time to put some Painter's Touch primer on it in very thin coats, and we'll probably do a couple coats. Always sand your primer with 1000 grit sandpaper. You can do it wet or dry, if you have the 3M wet or dry, and that way you make sure you get a nice smooth finish with no bumps. Doesn't take a lot of effort, just a little bit, and your paint will bond better. So it's not so warm in here, but it's warmer in the greenhouse, and it also smells better there. So we're gonna go paint there. There's a little bit of dust in here, but it's a lot warmer, so we're just gonna paint it anyways, and if we have to, we'll do a last coat in the shop again. First coat's done, now we wait about 10 minutes and come back. Did you want? It's dark in here. We're gonna shed some light on the situation. We moved to an even warmer spot. Now we're gonna put some clear coat on it. Through movie magic, today's tomorrow, and the bumper's done. Oh yeah, you can do it on the truck. Jake, you want to help me line this all up? Thanks. Just getting these in is kind of difficult. Some of these clips on this piece are broken, so very temporary fix. We're gonna pull this tight and run a self-tap through it till we have some more time, and then we will put a bolt through it and make it all nice and gorgeous and, you know, everything. So for now, that hurt. Pull it tight. It's gonna be difficult to do. We will do it though. All right. Like so. That should do it. This is genuine SEMA quality right there, a Sharpie.